Hello everyone and welcome back again for one more video, and today I bring you a new from Italeri, and this is the Junkers JU88 A4. Okay, this is 172 scale, and as you can see this is an upgrade mold, and we got it. This is the number 10 18. You got to do one version of this, and you can see right there the price here on WarkitStore. Okay, if you are not from Portugal, or if you are in Portugal from elsewhere outside of Lisbon, I can send you this by posts. Okay, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to open, and before you can see the length of play. Let me see, it's 19.9 centimeters, okay, 20 centimeters, okay. All these kits I'm not going to open the bags, because I want to the buyers, when they buy, they see and they open the bags. Okay, so this is almost like a quick review, just you guys to see what you can get on the inside. You got the normal decals from Italeri. Normally don't give you any problems. Okay, I need to put this here. We got the instructions, and I'm going to show you this a little later. Now we got here one bag with, you can see, different things. So please don't set a bit to open these. If I'm going to do one of these, of course I will open and show you. But like this, you can see what you can get here. We got the clear parts, the body of the airplane, some parts of the nose, some fans. Now let's flip this, and on this side, I'm sorry about the letter, but you can see the wings. Okay, so it's a big one. You can see here the wheels, and it's a very big plane. Okay, so this is a upgrade mold. So I think this is real nice. So on the instructions, let's open this. See, so as you can see here, we got here twinkle screws, another, and this is all different. This is equals to, so this part it's not, you are not going to use it. The steps, see, we start of course with interior. We go from one side, then we close it. So the steps, I think it's not that. So yeah, we are putting together the motors. And yes, it's 6 steps. Okay, it's a long 6 steps, but it's 6 steps. And as you can see, really nice. The schematic, it's just one. On this, you got here all the marks for the decals, and this schematic, it's awesome, guys. Let me close up a little more, and you can see real nice. So some guys make this with brush, or like me, I use the airbrush, and for this kind I use my infinity, because I want to make the lines very thin. If I don't like it, just put a more wide open line. So this is awesome, but it's a great challenge to do like this. So let me put this away. Oops. Okay, so this is waiting for you guys here on the store. And as you can see, the Junkers, the 88 A4. and this is like basically a current moment, so this is not the oldest one. So any questions, anything, if you want this, I can send you without any problem. Sorry, beating you into the box. So I catch you up on the next video, and thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see more, just subscribe. Okay, bye guys.